What I want to talk about today is how an investor can protect against fraud and institutional failure. Since the frauds like Madoff and Nadell and the institutional failures like Lehman Brothers and Washington Mutual came to light in the last few years, there's been a legitimate concern about the safety of assets. So how does a client protect their assets? Well, let's take the case of Madoff, which was a giant $65 billion Ponzi scheme that he operated for over 20 years. First, he custodied his assets in his own brokerage account. He operated a hedge fund so that there was no SEC oversight. He employed a 3-person accounting firm which was located in a storefront, and there was never any credible evidence that there was ever any external or internal audit controls, and in fact, the assets just simply didn't exist. Let's talk about custody of client assets at our trust company. Client assets are held in electronic form at Depository Trust Corporation. Depository Trust Corporation is one of the largest depositories in the world, holding trillions of dollars of client assets. And as far as oversight goes, we are examined by the State of Florida Department of Banking Finance every 18 months. And their report is very thorough and given directly to our board of directors. In addition, we engage one of the largest independent auditing firms in Southwest Florida who do an independent, unqualified audit annually that is reported to our board of directors. And we employ an independent auditor who reports directly to the audit committee of our board of directors, who periodically examines client accounts. Now, how about financial institution safety? What caused all those financial institutions like Washington Mutual to fail? It was bad loans. The charter that Caldwell Trust has from the state of Florida only gives us trust powers. Therefore, we cannot make any loans. So why did so many brokerage houses fail or have to be taken over? It was over leveraging. For example, Lehman Brothers. Lehman had 30 times more debt than they had capital. And most of it was invested in mortgage loans. So when the real estate market went sour, they were forced into bankruptcy. By contrast, according to state and federal law, trust companies cannot leverage. And that's why an independent trust company is the safest place to custody client assets.